list down the similarities and differences. What is this?
It's a dog.
Okay. What is this?
It's a horse.
Okay.
It's a dog. Let's talk about. Let's write the same.
Okay.
They both are farm animals.
That's a good point.
They both have 4 legs.
Go on.
They both have tails.
Okay. Can I list down the difference?
Yeah.
How the dog is different from the horse?
The horse eats vegetables, but the dog eats bone.
Okay.
We can ride on a horse, but the dog is too small to ride on. The horse has mane, but the dog has no mane.